Afternoon, freaky friends. Well, I'm taking my dog for a walk here at Puntledge Park, and every day I've been coming here all over. I've been seeing the birds attacking this owl. I'm gonna get underneath and I'm gonna let you guys check this out. Them birds do not like him. They've been doing that everywhere. That owl is beautiful. I don't know why he doesn't attack them birdies. They follow him around. There was, when I first came down here, I couldn't get the camera out fast enough, and there was crows attacking him. He won't take his eyes off of me. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay, let's check out where he is now, freaky friends. He's up higher now, so we won't get as good of a view. I think I might have got a little too close for him. Now he's way up there. And they're still attacking him. Wherever he goes, the birds follow him. It's just getting towards evening. He's just getting ready to feed. Oh, there he goes again. I know where he's going, I think. Okay, freaky friends, thanks for showing up on Skippy's Freaky Bird Adventures today. Rock on.